just not leaving and staying in there the whole time. Oh my god, claustrophobic. Booty on me. Hi, queen. You beautiful creature. Oh my goodness, you're just so adorable. I love you so much. Holy crow. Oh, you're just the perfect little girl.
Hi, mommy. Sexy red bra, sexy red panties. Hot ass, hot boobs. Sick puss, be my farting wife.
Farting? Be my farting wife? Ship is full of farts. You got from a love it. Oh no. Alright. I am doing shots for subs. So if you want to put that up there, Zay, or Honey, or speak on, that works. Subs.
They take shits and pisses inside of a toilet that has a vacuum to suck it all up while you're doing it in a spaceship.
Hi, mommy, sexy red bra, sexy red panties, hot ass, hot boobs. Be my hot wife, love you.
Hold on, in your back.
That jiggle, though.
Oh.
10 subs to eat a cricket.
I do not eat a fucking cricket. Lizzie, I had to get you a new snack bag. Hi, Queen. You're just so beautiful. Seagun, would you eat a cricket? No, that's nasty. Yeah, Jay. Yeah. Oh god, these things smell so bad.
I have before.
What? Really? Why would you willingly eat a cricket? Did you get paid to do it?
I have also eaten several worms in my life.
Ew. Why would you willingly do that? I gotta fix my jacket. After I'm done with this, I suppose.
You can turn down a dare.
Oh, that's cute, buddy. Take it home for dinner. She needs to get on this side so I can give her the cricket. There you go, Mama. There you go, Mama. Very beautiful. Oh my god, I have some giant worms in here. Oops, I'm so sorry. Oh, she's pissed. Oh my god. I'm sorry, girl. Girl, what are you doing? Okay, you need to take this.
Annie?
Take it.
Yes or no?
Oh god. Already? Sure, Seagun.
Joe Bobs.
I had to make sure it wasn't Winnie who was saying it.
That booty looked good.
Oh, Dijon! How was your day? There you go. Ew, worms are not on the menu. I am not eating one of these big ass worms.
What we sipping?